Welcome to Best Car Fixes. This is Muhammad Harun Idris. We have this computer here. We have a problem with burning. This is Cas 3 Plus BMW, and you see here in this area is burned. So we try to read the flash data, completely the flash data, or flash and EEPROM data, and based on that we are going to what we are going to do here is to read the flash data completely and write it down into another one, which they call it a cloning system. And also you can read the EEPROM data to make a key, I believe, but here is just a quick information how to work with it. This car ignition come on, but the car doesn't start. So the first we need to transfer this information. You see here is already, we read the data. I'm gonna, okay, let me see here. If you look down here, maybe you can get the VIN number also somewhere, but does not. Okay, I'm gonna save this flash data, and I will write down some information here for this Cas 3, and then we come back, we read the EEPROM 2. Stay with us. I saved that. Now I will read the EEPROM. I'm going to read the EEPROM 2. This is the EEPROM, I believe, for the keys and so. That's good. So let me save it also. Original chase. We have some functions here for editing, fabric number, FP number, or I see the VIN number there, the mileage, the DME ISN, DME SKN. I see everything is here, but we already colon everything. Our job is to write this function into another computer, into another Cas module, and then we come back. Thank you for watching.